Hello again and welcome back to Yorkies, Bits and Bobs. This part is all about putting a PC together, so I will speed it up so you don't get bored. So we'll get on with it, shall we? So that's the end of this video. I hope you like this video. Before we sign off, the only criticism I got was with the rubber grommets. Where you push the power cables through, all the cables, some of them kept popping off, which I found really annoying. And I spent a bit of time just pushing them back on rather than just getting on with the job. So maybe the manufacturer who make these, in case they can rethink that bit and put harder ones in, or ones that fit in more solid anyway, or perhaps just glue them in. Yeah. But apart from that, do I like the case? Yeah, I think it's a brilliant case. Yeah, does everything I want it to do, which is RGB lighting there at the back. Oh, one other thing, I've now decided to order 2 of them fans and put up on the top, because I think it wants 2 up there, and it'll look good as well. I like the magnet covers. I think they're really good. There's one on the bottom as well, so dust covers, so I think they're really good. Remote works. I couldn't get the remote working straight away for some reason, but I just think it's a sensor inside, but I've moved the sensor about and that's up and running properly now. The lights all seem to be running okay on the LED lighting. Yeah, really pleased with it. So with that, if you have any comments, please post them below, and I'll stick some links in for you for this case in case you decide you want to buy one. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.